Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 12 by 16 inch canvas and some Maiden gloss black acrylic paint mixed with GAC 800 and Floetrol. That's quite a bit. It may or may not be enough though. I've got Orange Crush, I might sneeze, and Sour Lemon with Hollyberry. It's not coming out anymore. There we go. There might even be something in there. I've finally got my Tango pink open. The colors will be listed underneath the video. Use some Dancing Fuchsia. Some Whispering Wisteria. I'm really tempted to add another color, but I don't really have much room for it. I've got a Cerulean Sea. I don't know that it'll show up. Helps if you open the pot. Might get some green out of that. And I'm going to use a stainless steel spatula, and I was going to use some black, Amsterdam black, but I think I'm going to use it along with some Dancing Fuchsia, both mixed with Australian Floetrol. Whoa. Well, at least it's black if it's got to run down. It's a lot looser than it was the last time I saw it, but it's been a long time since I did a swipe too. Okay, we're just going to do it again with less pillow paint this time. brush to come out in the way. I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll grab what's here. And camouflage that spot that I'm not in love with. Well, I thought I'd get rid of this black down here, but I think I kind of like it now. So here I am back again, and when I look at this, I see a tree, and I don't really like it other than that. So I'm planning on putting some black into a dish. And playing with the idea of making it a tree. It'll be a spooky forest. Might want to use my nail art tool. I've got chestnut brown. Hopefully that'll work better. Give us some more trees in the background. Gonna need some more. I'm gonna try it. Alright, it is what it is, and I like it, even though it's kind of weird. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.